Hello guys, my name is Aviron Fasya and I'm a student of Indonesia University of Education majoring English Education. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you two materials. The first one is what is discussion text, and the second one, how to make a great discussion text. But before we go on to the materials, I wanna say welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope my video will give you an information that you need. So keep on watching guys. Now I'm gonna show you discussion text and how to make a great discussion text. First, what is discussion text? Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre used to present at least 2 points of view about an issue. Now let's move to the purpose of discussion text. There are 2 purposes of discussion text. The first one is to present different points of view a topic, and the second to present the evidence and information from both sides. Next, who is discussion text for? Discussion text is for someone who wants to know all about the issue and understand the different points of view, and for someone who might want help in making up their own mind about the issues. There are 4 general structures of discussion text. First, issue. It's for stating the issue which is to discussed. Second, argument pro. Is presenting the point in supporting the presented issue. Third, argument cons. It's for presenting other points which disagree with the supporting point. And the last one is conclusion or recommendation. Is for stating the writer recommendation of the discourse. Now, how to make a great discussion text? First, language features. There are 6 language features of discussion text. The first one, introducing category or generic participant. Second, using thinking verb. For example, feel, hope, believe, and etc. Third, using contrastive conjunction. For example, however, on the other hand, but, in other side, although, and etc. Fourth, using modalities such as must, should, could, may, and etc. Fifth, using adverbial of manner such as deliberately, hopefully, and etc. And the last one, we have to use simple present tense in discussion text. Now, this is tricks of the thread of discussion text. First, use a question for the title. For example, should children be made to do homework? Second, introduce the reader to the discussion and why you are writing about it. Third, keep the argument balanced and present both points of view as fairly as possible. Fourth, support each side's point of view with reasons and evidence. And the last one, if you present your own point of view in the conclusion, give the reasons for your decision to your reader. that's all for what is discussion text and how to make a great discussion text. If you have any question, you can comment down below, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So see you on the next video guys. Bye.